The Summit of the Americas taking place in Peru comes in the context of tension between China and the United States over trade and tariffs. Together with the European Union, these two countries are the most important trade partners for this region. Ahead of the summit, the US Secretary of Commerce said the region has closer economic ties to the US than China.
The US trades twice as much with the countries of the Americas as it does with China. In fact, US exports to our neighbors in this hemisphere are greater than exports to all of Asia combined.
But China's ambassador to Peru told Reuters news agency that the US must not include this region in a trade dispute.
It would also constitute contempt not just for China, but also for Latin America.
China has rapidly become a key partner for Latin America, with trade and investment in agriculture, energy and transport.
What is interesting about China, around the world, not only for analysts like me, is how fast it's happened. In the mid-1990s, China wasn't an important trade partner with anyone. Now, it's in the top 3 for trade for the 20 or so South and Central American countries, and is also one of the 2 most important investors in the region.
In January 2015, China pledged $500 billion in trade and $250 billion in direct investment to the region over the next 10 years. And while there may be increased export opportunities for Latin America if a trade dispute continues, if China or the United States economies slow, this region will also be affected. Joel Richards, CGTN, Buenos Aires.